Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today Hannah is going to talk a little bit about what our landscape installation process is like.
So our landscape installation process looks like we show up to the job, go over the plan with the customer, make sure we're all on the same page as to what it is that we're going to be doing. That first day, we start with tear out, so removing whether it's sod or plants that the customer wants removed. We start with taking that out. If we have time that day, we'll start tilling up the soil. The tilling we always do 2 to 3 times. Sometimes we have to remove dirt because a lot of times that dirt gets built up around the foundation, which we do not want, and so often we'll be removing some dirt as well. After the tear out and after the tilling, we'll be bringing in fresh compost. After the composting, we will install the border, whether that's stone or composite edging. We'll put that in. Once the border is in place, that's when we bring in the plants and we get the plants set. Before actually planting, we go over the plant setting with the customer just to make sure it's everything that they were looking for and everything that they were expecting. After planting, we go through irrigation. We check the irrigation to make sure the plants are getting the proper coverage. If we have any leaks, if we have any heads that need to be replaced, nozzles that need to be replaced, we'll do that then. After we're comfortable with the irrigation and the coverage, we'll mulch everything and then do just a final really good cleanup of everything, and then just kind of walk through it with the customer and make sure everything is as they were hoping.
This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channels and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.